Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create something like this. Now, if you want to be creating something like that, you can watch the entire video and yeah, I'll show you how to create that. Let's just make a new material, search up material, and let's do m_ghost. This material, you can skip this, but what it's going to be doing is giving the ghost like this outline effect and you can see through it. What you want to do, go to the description of this video and I will leave a link for all the code for this material and you'll see why in a sec. So what you want to do is just go over that, Control C, then go back to Unreal Engine. You can see. So as you can see, I'm back in Unreal Engine. Now you just want to do Control V, and this will just basically copy it all. Now put this top multiply, the one with the emissive, into the emissive color, and this multiply into the opacity. Now you'll see it does not work, and that's actually a really easy fix. To fix this, change your blend mode to translucent. Now if you click apply and save, you'll see now we still have this error. To fix this, click on it, delete it, and get rid of this as well. Now you'll see you have this sort of effect, so just click apply and then click save. Now what you want to do is create a new blueprint. So right click blueprint class and search up for character. So just click on character and just name it whatever you want. I'm just going to call it BP_ghost. So this is going to be mine. And just change your mesh to whatever you want. So I'm going to make my mesh actually. Let's do Quinn. I'm just going to make mine Quinn. But if you have a model, you can use it. And and blah blah blah. And if you have any animation blueprints or blend spaces or whatever, and blah blah blah, all that, just go to anim class and add it in. But for now, I'm actually just going to be using the ABP_unarmed for this video, which just has the Unreal Engine's default materials. Now, what you actually want to do is you'll see this. Oh, there's no material. Well, actually, to fix that, click on this. Then you'll see you have the meshes. Click on your mesh and blah blah blah, whatever mesh that you're using. Make sure it's a skeletal mesh. Then click on it, right click, and click duplicate. And just name it skm_ blah 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 Quinn, which is mine, ghost_simple. And basically what this is going to do, we're actually going to open this. And then when we open this, we can add the material. So we can actually search for our ghost material and just add it. And our other ghost material and add it. And now you'll see if we actually change this mesh to our new one, this happens. If you want to change it or anything, just go to the material that we made, open it, and you can change all of these values. Like the power, I can change it to like 4 or 10, the emissive to like 2, but I'm just going to keep the power at 3, the emissive at 1. I'm going to you have a mount, you can change it to like whatever you want. Like if I do 50, I can do 100, which is a default. The lines, you can do like 2, you can do like 1, but it's actually all up to you. I'm just going to do 2 lines because I think it looks pretty simple. I'm going to be doing 4 lines because I think that looks pretty simple and nice for my character. Now just compile and save, just save everything, okay? Now I'm just gonna put this into a new window so I can access both at the same time. And if we actually add him in, BP_ghost, we click simulate, and you'll see this is what it looks like. And oh crap. And yeah, so this is my character. Also, it doesn't really look the best, but if you want to create a character like this, you can watch my videos, which will be in the link in the description. And yeah, so you got our character, you can interact with it, and blah blah blah. If you want to give it a jump scare like this, you can watch my previous tutorial, and you can add that as well. But I'm also gonna have the link in the description for that. But for now, we're just going to be making this AI. So go to BP_ghost again, or whatever you named it. Click on add, and now what you want to add is actually search up for porn, and then porn sensing. So you'll see that now we have this, and we can actually click on see porn. And now, if out of here, we can see on see porn, and actually go back, make sure only since plays is on, okay? If it's not on, then it won't work at all. So just click on here, events on see porn. Now it should create this event, and out of here, you want to actually make a variable. So search up is seeing, oh no, then get a branch, drag this onto the condition, the new variable that we just made, and out of true, we're actually going to leave that out for now. Create a new custom event, and what you want to actually call this event is really simple. It's just, all you have to do is type in follow player. Make sure that's the event name, and now out of this, get AI move to, and get this one. It's this one, okay? The porn will be self. The target actor, no, the target actor will be the get player character. Now, what you want to do after this is just keep it completely blank. And now what you want to do out of here, out of the true, search up the follow player or whatever you named the custom event. And now, if we go, I'm just going to spawn behind him because I don't want to start getting chased. But you see, oh, it doesn't chase. Well, that's really simple to fix. All you have to do is go up here and search for nav, and then nav mesh bounds volume, and just scale it up to the size of your map or wherever you want it to start chasing you. And now, if I click play and go in front of it, it still doesn't chase me. Why is that? Get play controller instead. And now, if we click play, still doesn't follow us. What the frick is happening? Is instead of get play controller, to get player character, and instead of this branch, you actually want to move, just copy and delete it, and instead paste it over here and make that in true. Then over here is seeing player, make that true, and that, and then on success, out of here, you want to set max walk speed. Just click off context sensitive and then turn that on. Get your character movement, put it into your target, and change it to 300 or whatever speed you want. You can actually check the normal speed and just make it like 50, like your normal ghost that if you'd see any ghost. And you'll see now it's chasing us. I'm not gonna lie, that's actually kind of scary. But you see, it actually stops chasing you sometimes, which is really weird. But actually, if you want, since it's a ghost, you can delete this so it's like moves slower. And as you can see, if it sees me, it starts going like that. But that's a bit too slow, so let's change up our speed to like 150. And now you see it starts like coming after us if you get in front of it. But you see, it's a bit buggy. So what you want to do is go here, and to fix this, actually, go to your mesh. If there's no animations, that's fine. That's because it's a ghost. But if you want animations, then I'm kind of sorry because I don't know why it's not working for me. But you can actually if you want to actually next part go to class defaults and search up orient and orient rotation to movement and search up yaw and use controller rotation yaw. Turn that off. And now you see it follows us way more smoothly than before. And if it stops chasing you sometimes, that's fine. That just means that you need to extend this by a ton. And now obviously it has more space, so it will follow you more easily. You can actually go up here, and what you want to do is out of your event begin place, so you can remove these two. You want to actually create a custom event called random roam, and then out of event begin play, just get that random roam that we just made. And to do this, out of a random roam, do your set max walk speed again, and make this 150 because sometimes it breaks and you want to do that. Now get another AI move too, and for the pawn it's just going to be self. If you can't find it, turn on back context sensitive, get a reference to self. Your destination will be get random reachable point and radius. The radius will be 5,000 and the origin will be get actor location. And basically after on success, call the event again random roam. A simple scary map. Like for example, I can get like shapes. I can like make this very scary map that I'm making now. If you want, you can turn off the directional light so it's like more scarier. So if I just turn this off, well now you can't see anything, which makes it actually a bit more harder. So you can just change the intensity to like 1, and over here you can go to it and like move that around. Like I'm gonna have this at like 130, and now you can like make your map however you want. And if I like move this around like that and bap and da da da, now it's really scary, and I'm gonna try getting to the monster before it gets to me. Oh! Oh my god, that's so scary. And like I said, you can implement that jump scare that I was talking about. So if you added that, you can just go to it, copy all of this code, put it into here, and as you can see, if you try compiling, it's going to be an error because there's no capsule. So go back to viewport, and then what you can actually do, right, no, and, alright, no, and what you can actually do for jump scare, I guess, is go to your player. So mine is in first person, blueprints first person character. Then in here you'll see I have all of these stuff and all of that. But what we're going to be focusing on right now is just the jump scare. So in the viewport, you can actually copy this mesh. Well, actually don't copy it. Add a skeletal mesh. Add 2, so duplicate that one as well. and change both meshes to be the monster mesh. So mine is this. Then what you can do is like position the arms, or if you have an animation you can use an animation, but it doesn't really matter what I'm doing. This is just if you want to, I guess. So I'm just gonna position this how I want it, so it's like the hands covering the screen, like how the jump scare is in, like, you know, what's the game called? Paranormal thingy, or I don't know. And you can duplicate this mesh, just turn it around, just like flip it, I guess, then move it so it's like covering the screen as well. Then just add both of these into the first person camera. Change the visibility to be off, trust me. Then what you can do is go back to Ghost, add in a cylinder, oh no, add in a capsule collision. Just position it how you want it to be. Like mine's gonna be tiny like this. So if the player touches this, so scroll down till we get to events. On a component begin overlap. Other actor cast to first person character. Then what you can do here is as BP first person character, you can get whatever you name that skeletal mesh that we just created a second ago, which mine is just called E and E1, but that doesn't really matter because I could just search up E and I have to find it, or get E actually. Just gonna keep looking until I find it. No, it's not. So it's somewhere down here. Get E, get E1. Scroll all the way down. There it is. I don't know why I named it E, but it just is. And then set visibility, new visibility, and all that. And if you haven't, you can. If you have a health system, you can also do that. Just gonna type in kill. So I'm just gonna do a delay for like 3 seconds, then put that event. And now, if I get hit by it, oh, now there's hands. Oh, that's really scary. Do add custom event and visibility flicker. Oh, I spelled that wrong, but that's fine. And let's type in set visibility and mesh, visibility off, and actually do a delay for like 0.2, like the default says. Then another delay that's 0.2, and then toggle this visibility back on. Or actually, if you want, you can do it the opposite way. If you turn off this visibility. Oof. Actually, no, do a re-triggerable delay so it can do it multiple times. Actually, that's my mistake. And like now, blah blah blah, and we do visibility flicker after delay. No, after a re-triggerable delay, after like 5 seconds, I guess. And now if we click play, every 5 seconds it starts doing that flicker, like as you can see. And if I try waiting for a flicker again, it should happen. I don't know if it's going to. No. Well, if you want it to happen again, you can do a re-triggerable delay. 5 seconds, and then do that again. And it's doing multiple times. Like, just start duplicating this crap a ton. And a ton of times. Or however much times you want. Which I think is what I did. Was enough. Oh, it's teleporting. Oh no. Oh, oh, Oh no, it's coming for me. Oh!